We are almost done with this place, actually. He fell off. That's what you get. Ah, what the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. Wow. Oh yeah, there's a lot of boxes up here. Oh, hello. Greetings, enemies! I'm here to kill you! Okay, is that all the enemies? I think so. Yep, that's all the enemies. Keep on. You use this, get all the way to the top. There are all some bosses, but yeah, we can get them. I think those boxes are on here. Oh, maybe not. And then you go up here.
Go ahead. You'll be doing me a favor. Oh, sorry. It's just, I thought you were one of them. What I did for even an ounce of their feral ignorance.
The burden often accompanies self-awareness, sir.
Living with the abject savagery of one's own kith and kin is quite more than one can bear sometimes. No, that's all this of it all.
I understand. I, too, am of a series designed to destroy.
In that case, I have something that may interest you. But may I first humbly request a meager few votes for food?
40,000. Bullshit. That's like a rip-off.
Ratchet reporting live from All North City, where proto-pet mania is in full swing. For those who spent the past week in hypersleep, the proto-pet is Megacorp's wildly popular bioengineered pet. Adorable, non-allergenic, and housebroken, fans of the creature have done it the perfect companion. Between the proto-pet's surprisingly low price tag and its lightning fast breeding cycle, there may soon be more than enough proto-pets for everyone. Darla Ratchet, Channel 64.
The entire population of that planet will be devoured.
Unless we get there in time.
Alright, this planet is done. Okay, first we are going to this one, then this one. So we got one more planet to go to open it up, though. So we have to go through here, get the other part, then go into the other planet, then we have to come back here. Yeah, you see no why. Oh yeah, in this one, you have to collect moon crystals 2 times. You will see and find out. Remember this guy?
It won't budge. Violence is not the answer.
Can you move this rock, sir?
Ah, the label.
And
Patience, young one. For the rock to move, the forces of the universe must align.
so, can we make these forces align a little faster?
Ah, yeah. The holistic resonance of moonstones may yet guide these wayward forces.
Yeah. Now we have to collect moonstones. We have to get 9 of them. Ain't they pretty? Ooh! I hate these fucking Yeti things. Die, fucking Yeti. Okay. Yeah, they're like not that bright, so you cannot tell where they are. But I know where they are. Yeah, Rhino in this planet is so fucking good idea to use. Oh, that was a fucking skill right there. I almost got hit. Alright, next one. It's over here. Oh no, Yeti. Oh, gee. Whew. Oh.